Hello friends, this is Gopal Verma. Welcome you to our channel Excel to Excellence. In this video, we will learn how to create a drop-down list of defined data. Now question is, why do we require a drop-down list and what are its use? The answer is, it saves us from repetitive action of data keying in, and it also minimizes the risk of error. Over the screen in the right hand side you can see a item rate chart, and in the left hand side you can see a section designed to create an invoice. Fields are interrelated. You can see these are all are equipped with the functions. Only we need to key in their item and quantity. Rest it will do by itself. The supported function in this section is VLOOKUP. For detailed information on VLOOKUP, you can watch our video on VLOOKUP. So in left hand side sections, I am writing here pen. You can see here rate auto populated here. Now I will put here the quantity. 25 is the quantity. You can see here rest everything has been done by itself. But what happens friends when if I write pan in place of pen? So I written here pan. Now observe the difference. It is revealing nothing. So typo error can obstruct us from getting the desired result. This thing can be overcome with the help of creating a drop down list. So drop down list equip you to select the only defined values. Irrespective of that, nothing you can enter. We will learn now how to create a drop down list. This is the section where we need to fill up the item name. So we will create a drop down list over here. So first what we will do, we will select the location where we want to create a drop down list. Then under the data tab, move to data tab, strike over data validation option. You will find this kind of a dialog box. Under allow section, you select list. Number of options are there, but for this purpose we need to select list only. To select list, ignore blank and in cell drop down list, both are checked in, so we need not to alter that. In later sessions we will learn what are the use of these options. So now we are going with these two options. Another active field is source field. Click the cursor over here. Here we will key in the location of the source data for which we want to create a drop down list. So click here and click in the right side to minimize this dialog box. Now we will select a range in between M10 to M17. Expand the dialog box by again clicking over this. Now strike OK. Our drop down list is ready here. You can see here the difference. A checkbox is there. On clicking the checkbox, you can find here the list of defined data. By clicking over any of the item, you can choose them. So in this way, friends, in this way we can create a drop down list. For illustration purpose, I have selected a very small data set. You can apply it for a larger data set also. Here I place this drop down list source data in the same tab, but it can be on another. If you want to drop down list for the defined data is created. Now try to key in pan right now pan. You will find a error message. The value entered is not valid. So in this way it is also restricting us from entering the unwanted or the out of the scope data in the data field. Friends, in this way we can minimize the typo error. We will come with more information regarding data validation point. We are requesting you to please subscribe, like our channel.